Number 1. Which word means very happy? It's ecstatic! Number 2. Instead of saying very tired, which word is better? I'm exhausted. Number 3. What is a better word for very bad? It's awful! Number 4. Which word means very big? That's right, it's massive! Number 5. Instead of very clean, you can say this table is spotless! Number 6. Which word means very cold? It's freezing! Number 7. What is a better word for very hot? Boiling! Number 8. What is a better word for very small? Correct! It's tiny! Number 9. Which word means very smart? She's brilliant! Number 10. Instead of saying very angry, you can say I'm furious!